this is Nova Studios. I'm Slade.
I'm Nathan.
Sorry for the disruptions in the background. If you want to blame, don't blame it on us. Blame it on Javen, Wyatt, and Geo.
They're having a Nerf war.
Oh. Okay, so we're gonna show you a trick.
So today we're gonna show you how to basically troll people that you have admin in. I think it's every single game.
Yeah.
In Roblox.
So let us get to this safe spot up here.
Where?
Up here.
Okay.
So
first of all, what you're gonna have to do is go in the chat
and do /me.
/me is an admin. And then once you do that, you're gonna troll people and it's gonna be like you actually have admin.
Oh, we're also playing Natural Disaster Survival.
/me is an admin. Like that. And as you can see in the chat, it looks like I'm an admin.
Yeah.
And you could troll people. Oh, we gotta get down because I'm in a high place. Oh, guys.
Is an no!
What?
We gotta switch servers.
He knows.
No!
Who is it? I got struck by light.
Okay, we gotta switch servers.
Why? Someone knows.
Yeah. Yeah, we gotta switch servers.
It's really weird to have a wolf on the back of your back.
Kind of. But it's also pretty cool. No, it's not.
Okay, guys, so back to the video.
Is an ad.
So you just put /me is an admin, and then you're gonna be trolling. And it'll actually be like you're an admin. You could say anything like me is a super admin. Could do any kind of admin. And I'm pretty sure it works for every single game.
Me. Yes.
Guys, just so you know, the real admin, it doesn't work. All it does is just for trolling. You can't actually have admin. It's just for trolling in games.
Come on.
Like how we are trolling this game right now.
Whoa. Whoa. If you again, so we're sorry for the disruptions in the background.
Did you see what I put in the chat? What if I put /u? Oh, it doesn't do.
Okay. Okay, that's not good. I'm standing right under. I'm really surprised no one's like freaking out about it. Again, we are sorry about the disruptions in the background.
I spelled creator wrong, I think.
No, Peter. Creator. Yeah, go. Right. Hey, stop! It's closed! There's a dress door blocking the door!
Oh, this is a hard one. Get on the tank. Get on the tank. Here, you get on my tank.
No,
Get on my tank.
Okay.
You drive, I'll shoot.
Can't shoot. No. Stop moving! Stop.
I'm not moving.
What the heck?
Just twirling. Wait, let me jump off.
Okay, new tank.
There's no more.
Seriously? For real? Jump off again. I can't get on now. Oh. I can't see. These corners are the best.
I know. Oh my gosh, you pushed me off.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, what? Oh, we're safe.
Yes.
Look.
No, I'm not.
Oh, but I am. I got inside. I'm safe inside.
Hey, what the?
Look, I'm
glitched. Let's go.
So you're gonna survive because you glitched.
No matter what.
I can't see a thing. That's /E.
I know. I want to see if it'll pop up for me. Dang it. If I look in wrong directions, it'll make me freeze. Wait, can you see my body through the ground? Okay.
Wait, it's still going. Dang, like half of the map is gone.
Wait, did you just glitch through the wall?
Yeah, I did.
What? How was any? Hey, go through that way and maybe you'll end up like me. Yay!
You won.
Great job, everyone. Great job. Great job, everyone. Great job, everyone.
Did you see what I put?
Okay. They'll probably be wondering.
How are they doing this?
Oh no! It's weird because I'm like actually talking, and you're saying like you're talking like you're not the person talking.
Yeah, cause
well, the only best 101 isn't the one talking. It's an admin.
Look what I put.
Dude, no one's gonna think you actually have admin commands if you do that.
Oh, they'll think I have VIP. Wait, what is this?
There was no VIP, is there?
We'll just pretend.
No, there's no.
Oh no!
Ah!
No, get back up!
No, the lava's gone.
I know, we could still make the jump.
We can't.
Yeah, we can. Just gotta jump perfectly. Someone made the jump.
Wait, what? No. No, they did.
Yeah, they did.
I'm going through it.
I need to jump on someone's head.
Whee!
Wee! It's just so hard.
I need to jump on your head, okay?
Okay, here.
Dang it, someone pushed me off you.
It's so hard.
Ah!
Oh, someone's head.
Come on, let me jump. Dang.
He won. So guys, that's gonna be the end of this video.
We hope you liked it.
And
we
please
do have
leave a thumbs
We do
up.
have a Instagram account. Leave a like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Bye!